This is a forest fire. As you see all these bushes, I don't know what you want to call them, are burning. You know. This causes smoking pot and woods. Not a good mix. I didn't start it if you guys are wondering. I really didn't. This is it here. You know, it kind of just wiped out the whole forest itself. And yeah. I'm like a couple feet away. It's intense. Look how scary that is. Like, that was the most epic shit ever right there. Fire! Look at that, there's like a tornado in it. Holy balls. Yeah, wind plus fire equals more fire. I think, right? I wish I had marshmallows right now. I would be cooking like crazy. Holy balls. All those poor animals are dead. What?